Hello students, in our previous lecture we studied that Hari Singh stole all the money and now he was on his way to catch the train. But when train was moving from the station at that time he didn't get in that. He had something in his mind, that's why he didn't go. Now he was alone there, and now what's going to happen in the lesson now we are going to discuss. When the train had gone, I found myself standing alone on the deserted platform. I had no idea where to spend the night. I had no friends, believing that friends were more trouble than help. I did not want to make anyone curious by staying at one of the small hotels near the station. The only person I knew really well was the man I had robbed. Leaving the station, I walked slowly through the bazaar. Now here we are going to talk about Hari Singh. He was at the station, train had gone from there, and as soon as train had left the station, so he was alone there. That's why it is said here it was a deserted platform where nobody was there. Then he had no idea where to stay or where to spend the night. Actually, he had no friends. Even he was thinking friends are only creating trouble than help. And again, he didn't want to make curious anybody by staying at hotel near the station. That also he didn't want to do. Actually, he had money. He would have bought or he would have rented one room there and then he would have stayed, but he didn't prefer that because he didn't want to make curious anybody. The only person he knew that was Anil. But again he is explaining only person he knew that was Anil, but again he had cheated Anil. So leaving the station, I walked slowly through the bazaar. So he left the station and now he was walking through the bazaar. Now he is on his back to the home. In my short career as a thief, I had made study of men's faces when they had lost their goods. The greedy man showed fear, the rich man showed anger, the poor man showed acceptance, but I know that the Anil's face when he discovered the theft would show only a touch of sadness, not for the loss of money, but for the loss of trust. So as he is talking about his short career as a thief, so he had made a study of people's faces also when they have lost their goods. So greedy man was showing fear, rich man was showing anger, and poor people they were showing acceptance. But now here he is remembering Anil's face. When he discovered the theft, it means when Anil will come to know, like I had done that crime or I had taken his all the money. So at that time, what will happen? So he would show only a touch of sadness. People they are going to show different emotions. Somebody will show fear, somebody will show anger. Again, poor people they are going to show acceptance. But here Anil was the different person because he had trust on Hari Singh. That's why now he is going to say he would show only a touch of sadness, not for the loss of money, but for the loss of trust. So, money we can earn, money we can spend, so that's just a need. So, Anil will feel very sorry or Anil will feel very bad, not for the loss of money, but as he trusted him so much, for that only he was supposed to feel so sad, and that's why Hari Singh is just saying one thing, he will feel only a touch of sadness. Then come to the next page. I found myself in the Maidan and sat down on the bench. The night was chilly. It was early November and a light drizzle added to my discomfort. Soon it was raining quite heavily. My shirt and pyjamas stuck to my skin, and a cold wind blew the rain across my face. So after that, as he was walking through the bazaar. Then after that he found himself in the Maidan. See, Maidan is a local word. Actually, it's a Hindi word that is used here as it is. Then he sat down there on a bench. That night it was really chilly one because it was the early of November. It means winter season was going on. So light drizzle was there. It means it was drizzling there, and it was adding to Hari Singh's discomfort. First of all, it was drizzling, and after some time, it was raining quite heavily. So his shirt and pajama stuck to his skin. Then, at the same time, and a cold wind blew the rain across his face. In that way, all the discomfortable things are just going on here. And now he is on his way back to home where he was living earlier at Anil's home. I went back to the bazaar and sat down in the shelter of the clock tower. The clock showed midnight. I felt for notes. They were damp from the rain. So he went from the bazaar, and then after that he sat down in the shelter of clock tower. There was one clock tower, under that he just took the shelter, and that clock showed midnight. It means it must be more than 12:30 or 12 o'clock at least. That's why he is saying here it was a midnight. So he felt for the notes. First of all, he didn't remember exactly what the condition of the notes, but now he is going to see what happened to the notes. Then they were damp from the rain. So those notes were simply became moist due to the rain and all. It had become wet. Then Anil's money, in the morning he would probably had given me 2 or 3 rupees to go to the cinema, but now I had it all. I couldn't cook his meal, run to bazaar to or learn to write whole sentences anymore. So he was talking about whose money is this. So then he said it's Anil's money, as he got this money today. So definitely he would have given certain amount me tomorrow early in the morning, and he would have given me at least 2 or 3 rupees to go to the cinema. But now he is mentioning one thing, he had that all the amount now in his pocket. He couldn't cook his meal. In the beginning, we know it very well, he couldn't cook his meal. Then again, straight away he just ran to the bazaar. Then again, or learn to write whole sentences anymore. As he was there, so then Anil promised him he is going to teach him how to cook also, at the same time how to write his name, how to add numbers, and how to write whole sentences. But he was supposed to run from there, so it was not at all possible to learn these all the things also, and at the same time to become like educated man. Then I had forgotten about them in the excitement of the theft. Whole sentences I knew could one day bring me more than few hundred rupees. It was a simple matter to steal, and sometimes just as simple to be caught. But to be a really big man, a clever and respected man, was something else. I should go back to Anil, I told myself, if only to learn to read and write. Then, in the excitement of theft, he had forgotten that everything. Then, after that, when he was coming back, at that time he was thinking. So, he was already teaching me how to write sentences, how to add numbers, and like all the different things which are all very necessary as far as education is concerned. So now he was just thinking there. He had forgotten those all the things in the excitement of theft. Then again he knew one thing, these all the things if he learns from there, so then definitely it may bring him few hundred rupees. Now for certain rupees only he had done that theft activity, but if he is there only and he is learning everything from Anil, so then definitely that learning only will bring him few hundred rupees after that. It was simple matters to steal. Now he is mentioning one thing. So only steal money, that's not an easy thing, or that's only not the important point. I should still learning. Like he was teaching me how to write the sentences, how to write the name and all everything, whatever basic education was there. So he was supposed to teach me, but I did exactly opposite. I stole money from there. So then what is the important thing to steal from there? That's a learning. And sometimes just as simple to be caught. So if he is doing that theft activities always, so then sometime he will be caught and then he may be behind the bars or he may be caught by the police. But if he wants to do something in his life, so then definitely learning is going to make all the difference. Then he is mentioning one point from here, but to be a really big man, a clever and respected man was something else. Like I will have so much money and all, that's another point. But really, I want to be a big man. I want to be a clever and respected man. So, only to have a lot of wealth, that's not only important. We should be respected in the society. We should be considered as a clever. We should be considered as a big man. That was something else that he was looking for. Then he just thought to himself, he should go back to Anil. He told himself, and if only to learn to read and write. So I should go home not only for just doing some another activity. I should steal from him instead of money knowledge, because that's only the thing that I should steal, and that's going to help me in my upcoming life also. So he told himself these all the thing, and then now he was not returning for stealing or doing theft activity. He was returning to home only to learn, to read and to write. Thank you.